In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Namecheap EasyWP control panel. To get started, head over to the Namecheap website. Once you're there, log into your Namecheap dashboard using your account credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple domains or websites, since your EasyWP sites will only appear under the account where they were originally set up. After you've signed in, you'll land in the main dashboard area. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Namecheap organizes different parts of your account, including domains, hosting, and apps. What you want to do next is find and select the apps icon. Clicking this will open the section that contains services connected to your account, including EasyWP. Once you're inside the apps area, look for the EasyWP option and click on it. This will take you to the EasyWP section where you can view the WordPress websites associated with your account. If you have more than one EasyWP website, take a moment to confirm which one you want to open so you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong site. Next to the specific WordPress website you want to work on, click the Manage button. This is the key step that opens the EasyWP control panel for that site. After selecting Manage, you'll be taken directly into the control panel where you can access the tools and settings for that WordPress installation. From the EasyWP control panel, you'll typically be able to handle important website tasks such as managing your WordPress setup, checking performance-related options, reviewing backups, and working with settings connected to that site. Even if your goal is something simple like logging into WordPress or checking site status, this control panel is the place where that process begins. If you don't immediately see your website listed, double-check that you're in the correct Namecheap account and that you clicked on apps rather than another hosting related section. That can save you time and help avoid confusion, especially if you also use other Namecheap services. And that's it. The process is straightforward. Log into your Namecheap dashboard, open the apps section from the left sidebar, click EasyWP, and then select Manage next to the website you want to access. Once you do that, your EasyWP control panel will open and you'll be ready to start managing your WordPress site.